Facebook's use of the word Asian rather than Asian American actually abets and aids hate, harassment, bullying, and violence against Asian Americans, because Facebook's executive choose to differentiate Asian Americans from other Americans, and Facebook is claiming that they're not Americans at all by calling them Asian. And this works in tandem with Trump and millions of Republican followers who embrace bigotry against Asian Americans, against African Americans, Hispanic Americans, Jewish Americans, and so on. There's absolutely no reason why Facebook should be writing Asian when they ought to be writing Asian American. Asian Americans are American, period. Here's a article that was published in the Huffington Post on September 17th, 2020. Portland Proud Boys rally promoted on Facebook pages despite extremist ban. No surprise. This is in Reuters, the news agency. September 20th, 2020, Facebook sees uptick in Proud Boys content after presidential debate. Proud Boys are racist, extremist, violent, prone, like terrorist enabling group, organization. Article in The Guardian UK, June 20th, 2020. Donald Trump calls COVID-19, quote-unquote, Kung Flu at Tulsa rally. Just blatantly and overtly racist. And every attack on Asian Americans that's happened since ought to be directly blamed on Trump's virulent racism. Here's other examples of Trump's bigotry. This was during the 2016 election campaign when Trump mocked a disabled New York Times reporter. This repulsive behavior by Trump. Article in the Independent UK from November 13, 2017. Donald Trump continues to promote Barack Obama birther conspiracy, senator claims. And Trump has never apologized for all the years of his national leadership of his race-hate birther campaign, which is applauded by the Ku Klux Klan, in which Trump attacked not only President Barack Obama and his president's family, but all African Americans. Another example of Trump's bigotry and racism, he used a meme image which is straight out of the playbook of the Third Reich and Nazi Germany, like from Der Stürmer, the Third Reich's anti-Semitic newspaper, when he sent out this meme image depicting a photograph of Mrs. Clinton with money and a Star of David, and set with the words "most corrupt candidate ever." And he's also refused to apologize for this. So Facebook should use language which does not abet, aid, and promote harassment, violence, hatred against peoples based on their national origins. They should be asking people to donate to Asian American communities, and as their use of Asian exclusively plays right into the hands of the Proud Boys and QAnon and the Ku Klux Klan and other right-wing GOP extremist supporters. It's April 15, 2021.